Good morning, students. I am Ashutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to start your 12th chapter, Electricity and Circuits. So, before studying this chapter, we should know about electricity. Electricity is produced after flow of electric current, and nowadays so many works of our daily life is completely dependent upon electricity. Without electricity, so many works, so many needs of our life will be not completed. In other words, we can say that without electricity, our life activity will be stopped. So, at the present time, electricity is very essential for human life. We use electricity in our different purposes, as for lighting, heating, moving machines, activating machines, in agriculture purposes, in domestic purposes, and in so many ways we use electricity. There are so many examples of work which is activated by the electricity, as the very essential demand of our life is light. So, for lighting we use electricity, and by using electricity we get light by glowing of bulb, tube light and other sources of light. Similarly, in demand of different work, we use electricity in different purposes in our daily life. In other words, we can say electricity provides energy to do our works. As we know that what is energy? Energy is capacity, ability to do work. The ability to do work is energy. So for doing any work, they need energy, and when we use electricity, electricity provides energy to perform any specific work to related machines, to related equipment. So, when we supply electricity to a bulb, bulb start glowing. When we provide electricity to electric iron, it start heating. When we provide electricity to pump set, it start and work according to our purpose. So this is electricity, and electricity provide energy to activate different machines which are used in our daily life, and then we get benefit from electricity. So there are so many ways for the production of electricity, storing of electricity. So in this term, today I will first discuss about electric cell. What is electric cell? Electric cell is a storage device of electricity. In an electric cell, in electric cell, electricity is stored, and this electricity is used by us in our different works, in our different purposes. A cell is made up of different chemicals, and here after chemical reaction electricity is produced. In an electric cell, so many different types of chemicals are used, and when these chemicals react to each other, it produces chemically electricity, and electricity remain stored while whenever we do not use, and when we need this electricity we use from this electric cell to complete our needs. So electricity is a source of electric cell is source by which electricity is provided to us to activate different equipment and complete our needs. So we can say electric cell is also a storage device of electricity and also produce electricity. And by using electric cell we complete our needs as glowing of torch, electric bulb and other bulbs. Mainly in a torch electric cell is used, that is dry cell. In this dry cell chemicals are used, and while after chemical reaction these chemicals produce electricity, and this electricity is used for glowing bulb, and we get light after glowing of bulb. So this is the first lecture and introduction of electricity for your 12th chapter. Further, in my next video I will discuss another points and further about electricity and circuits. So for today that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.